Welcome to Vienna, and this is 25 Hours Hotel MuseumsQuartier, where we're staying for 3 nights. It is where a bold circus theme comes alive. Designed by Meta, the hotel features vibrant colors and unique vintage finds. The rooftop bar terrace offers spectacular views of Vienna. I booked this hotel specifically because of its easy access by walking or public transport to everywhere you want to go visit in Vienna. The hotel is part of the lively Neubau district, known for its trendy boutiques, art galleries, and cafes. It's close to the museum quarter and parks, ideal for exploring and relaxing. Trains and trams are easy to access from here, walking distance to Rathausplatz, Hofburg, CC Museum, Café Central, and many more. Here is a quick room tour. We booked the medium room where they can split the bed into 2 beds. Once you enter, on the right is the open closet with hangers, and below that is the minibar. And here are the twin beds with the very bright bedside lamps. Behind it stands a wall featuring circus-themed artwork reinforcing the hotel's overall theme. This is the 25-hour Chalefant bespoke cuddly plush elephant designed specifically for the 25 Hours Hotel, which you can purchase by the reception area. On the right of the bed is a long bench for storage. On top is a UE boom speaker you can use during your stay. Next to the window is a desk with a landline phone and a notepad with a pencil for your notes, and some much needed extension cords for all your gadgets. Here's a quick bathroom tour. On the left of the sink is the toilet, and on the right is a shower with included shampoo and body wash. I gotta add that this shower has really good water pressure, by the way. And by the sink you'll find a box of tissues, clean towels, hand wash, and body lotion. Be aware that there is this glass window. There is a cover, but there's holes. One thing I found quite interesting here was that the minibar is all included. We got 2 beers, 1 cola, and 2 bottles of water plus some snacks, which I thought was a nice touch. This is us.
Oh, this one.
Come down. Also, if it's green, they can come.
Yeah.
So if it's red, they come. And here's a quick view of Vienna from the rooftop bar. Unfortunately, I didn't get to take too much content as the bar was quite busy. But I hope this has been helpful for you in planning your next trip to Vienna. Don't forget to like and subscribe.